What's going on, everybody? Eros here. So coming at you with an update. So I'm gonna be going to our property back over in Eastern Washington, and I'm gonna be towing a truck over here to restore it. More on that to come, but just want to show you guys. So I got the truck right here and the trailer that we're gonna be using to go ahead and bring the car over here. So super excited about that. That's gonna be a fun project. I've really kind of just been thinking a lot about what I'm going to be doing with it as far as the restoration process. But it's a 1973 Oldsmobile 98, and the 98 is the model of the car, not the year that it came out in. The year is 1973. Anyways, it's about a 4-hour drive, so I'll show you guys something along the way. All right, stay tuned. But I had to actually rent this truck, and I'm renting the trailer, which kind of came out to be just a little bit under $1,000 for the both. The truck is $405, the trailer is $125. So yeah, and then plus they each took a $200 security deposit. So yeah, but that's refundable provided I return everything in the good condition. So anyways, I like the truck a lot. That's going to be a nice one. Trailer as well, with the winch and all the tools to go ahead and make bringing the car over here a lot easier. It's going to be like I said, 4-hour drive each way. But hopefully the weather isn't too bad along the pass and crossing the mountains. Anyways, I'm excited, and I'll show you guys more updates later. What's going on, guys? So just giving you an update. I'm here driving, heading over to pick up the car, but loving this truck. It's nice. Definitely want to get one in the future. We have the whole setup where I have the truck and trailer to be able to, pick up cars, haul some of my own, for both personal and business reasons. But yeah, take a look at this scenery here. Kind of feels like I'm in Eastern Europe or something. But it's Washington State. So we finally made it to our destination, and right here behind me is the vehicle that we're gonna be towing. Bam, take a look at that. That is a classic beauty right there. So that is the 1973 Oldsmobile 98. Here we are trying to get the trailer to go ahead and tow it, load it up, take it back. I mean, daylight escapes us, so we got to be pretty quick. Anyways, as I was saying, it was a 4-hour drive, and it's wintertime, so we don't have too much daylight here in the PNW. But we're gonna go ahead and try to get this thing loaded up fast, and I can take it back to my shop space. Y'all, it's a bit dark, but there it is. Stopped here to get some gas, and now you can see it has better lighting. But here it is, huge 18-foot. It's 2 a.m. getting to the shop, so we're just gonna wait to unload it.